Hi guys, it's already almost 2:30 and I just finished up doing hair. Right now I'm going to clean up this room and then I'm going to live with my dad.
Zo, jullie zien het. De gelang aan het denken. Artiest.
Hey,
Wil je ook erop? Kom maar.
eind van de maand. Ik mag echt niet meer gezegd hebben, bro. Je weet toch? Doe blur. Eind van de maand. Doe het, joh.
Blur. Ja,
Alright you guys, right now I'm at home and I'm getting ready to go to my grandmother's house. I just spent time with my mom and my dad today. And yes, that's it a bit. So right now I'm going to my grandma's house just to chit chat.
What is that?
So I am
What?
here
What?
with my aunt and
What's
my grandmother.
up? What's up, y'all?
Yeah.
Oh my boy.
Good morning. Zeg good morning. It's Vlogmas day 5. And today he's going to get his hair done.
Today.
Yes, he's going to get his hair done.
Niet al mijn hypes vertellen.
No. And I am going to film a makeup look for my channel. Yes? Okay. Right now it is 11:20 and he don't know when his barber is going to come. But anyways, y'all will see it. Proprio.
Hi, people. Bye, people.
I miss snow and very bad. Hi.
So guys, I just finished up filming this look. It's going up on my personal channel today at 9 o'clock. Tune into that if you're interested, of course.
Yo guys, fresh. You see it? Fresh cut. I put my barber at the place where I pick him up. I'm going to sleep. Okay, y'all see the car. You have to watch me again. I will tell you my English is not good, but I will try to speak English with you. In de meeste gevallen ga ik gewoon Nederlands praten. You guys want to see my car? My new car. So this is my new car, and I have to clean it, but this is the car. Yes. Hi guys, this is vlog by Valdes.
We are going to eat right now. He made okra with zoutvlees and rice and chicken. Hi guys, it's Vlogmas Day 6 actually, but I'm editing the vlog of day 4 and 5, and I see that I didn't end the vlog, so this is the moment for it. Thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow in the next vlog. Like, subscribe, share this video with everyone, and yeah, thank you.